My name is Gary Gendron, and I just retired after 34 years of law enforcement. Anytime someone is involved in a shooting, their weapon gets taken and gets logged in because there's going to be ballistic tests done on the weapon and stuff. And they can eventually get the weapon back if it wasn't a murder type situation. Even police officers' weapons are taken from them at the time of a shooting, and they get issued a secondary weapon if they end up on the street before that gets released back to them. So yes, their weapon will be taken, but it will come back to them eventually.